In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zift. To get started, head over to Zift and log into your portal using the welcome email you received when your account was created. Once you're signed in, the first thing you'll want to do is open the settings area. You can usually find this in the menu under your profile name. This is where most of your initial setup will happen, so it's a good place to begin. Inside settings, start by completing your company profile. Fill in your company name, address, time zone, and contact details. This information is important because it helps ensure your account is properly configured and that any communications or reporting are tied to the right business details. Be especially careful with the time zone, since that can affect scheduling and notifications later on. Next, add your team members through the Manage Users section. As you invite people into the platform, assign the appropriate roles based on what each person needs access to. Taking a moment to set roles correctly now can help avoid confusion and keep your account organized as more people begin using it. After that, configure your email notifications so you can stay informed about important updates. This step helps make sure you and your team don't miss key alerts or activity inside the platform. If you plan to use social marketing features, go ahead and connect your social media accounts. Setting this up early can save time later and allows you to manage those channels more smoothly from within Zift. You should also install the website analytics tracking code on your website if that applies to your setup. This is useful for measuring traffic and understanding how your marketing efforts are performing. Make sure the code is placed correctly so data can begin tracking properly. Next, set up your suppression list for email compliance. This helps ensure that emails are not sent to contacts who should be excluded, which is an important part of maintaining clean communication practices and staying aligned with compliance requirements. Finally, if your organization uses a CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot, integrate it with Zift. Connecting your CRM can improve data flow between systems and make it easier to keep marketing and sales information aligned.